On top inside Edo today, Edo Acting Governor Right Honorable Philip Shaibu, he don't call for increased funding of the Nigerian Army system. We State Acting Governor Right Honorable Philip Shaibu don't talk say make them increase the money where them they allocate give the Nigerian Army system for National Assembly. He talked this one when General Tukur Buratai, will be the Chief of Army Staff, come visit with State Government House. General Tukur Buratai with the entourage them compare with State Government courtesy visit for with State Government House. He can't explain give with State Acting Governor waiting carry them come with State. He say he can deliver inaugural lecture for Igbiledio University, the one with the Okada for with State. And this lecture so it concerns security matter. He can say then can still greet the family of late General David Ejo, will be former Chief of Staff of Nigerian Army, and he number the former governor of Western State when Edo and Delta be there together. When they finish this condolence visit so, them go take tour around the south to check the operational activities of the army and where they need to still shook eye put. He can't thank with State Acting Governor sake of say he know am when him be the National Assembly, and he can't assure am say Nigerian Army and other security agencies go continue to the work with state government to make sure say security matter they can't pay.
I'm here to deliver a lecture at the Igbiledio University in Okada. It's an inaugural lecture of the Center for Contemporary Security Affairs, which the university deemed it fit to honor me in that respect. I'm also here on a condolence visit. The late General David Ejo, former Chief of Staff, Nigerian Army, who was also governor covering the Western State, Edo and Delta State now, to condole the family and indeed the government and people of Edo and Delta State. And also to go on a tour of some of the formations and units to look at the general administration and the operational capabilities within the South-South region. I want to once again thank you for this honor, and we assure you that the Nigerian Army here and indeed with all other security agencies will continue to work very closely to ensure security of lives and property here in Edo State and indeed generally across our country.
Right Honorable Philip Shaibu can greet them. He can say he happy to see the Chief of Staff. Second say the last time when you see him now when them they select the people we supposed stand gidigba on top of Nigerian Army system. And he happy say this man he no disappoint him. Second say na person where they focused and he know what they suppose they do. He can't take him say he see the work where General Tukur Buratai they do for the Northeast. And this one so no be only Northeast now they take the security matter serious. He still work gidigba put for them for the South on top the kidnapping and the militant matter we will they face. Acting Governor of the State Right Honorable Philip Shaibu, he can still explain say he happy say under General Tukur Buratai administration relationship done there between the military and the civilian, and this kind thing they like that before. He know say challenges go there for the Nigerian Army sake of say people go need them and work go plenty well. And he remember say NBC General Tukur when they present him budget and then they talk on top increased funding, saying one can use this opportunity to tell them. So we state government go join mouths with them to take the federal government and National Assembly say may they increase the money with them they allocate, they give the Nigerian Army system, as this one go help them take work well past the way them take the work. Right Honorable Philip Shaibu can see explain give General Tukur say on top the condolence visit where they come pay the former Chief of Army Staff, late General David Ejo, where constable the former governor of the Western State, say them for we states to go throw away body put to join for the preparation of the burial of this Ogbonge person we go so.
I am particularly happy to meet you again. All through your line of service, you have been a combatant. And for us, and to also say that today, the trust that people put in Army is back. Since you took over the aim of affairs, the Nigerian Army that we know is back again. And the confidence in our people is very, very high. They believe in the Nigerian army, and they believe truly that we are still great. I want to also thank you for what you've done in the Northeast. And that is what is in the news. But we also know what you've done in our own region, the South-South. We have been faced with different militancy, breaking of pipe, S-men, kidnapping, all those stuff. We know how your men here have come into the occasion. And also something I've noticed with your administration is the civil aspect of it. The relationship between the military and the civilians gradually has been cemented, and that also has placed us in a very good light in the international community. So I want to really thank you for that. But also, there are a lot of challenges that definitely Nigerian Army will face with your new method. That new method definitely means everybody wants to see you. Everybody wants you to be at their mercy. Everybody wants you to provide security, even when you have your own calling. And in doing that, it means issue of funding is critical. I watched you when you went to defend your budget. There was that seriousness in the aspect of increased funding for the Nigerian Army. So I want to join, Edo State government want to join, to appeal to our National Assembly members that we need the military budget to really be increased. They should treat it as first line so that they can help us to deal with the issues that are already deal with, because they won't use their bare hands to do that. So I join you to appeal to our members of the National Assembly, and our own members from Edo State will also talk to them so that we all know the need for increased funding for the Nigerian Army. And by the grace of God, I'm sure they will do that. And doing that with you there, we know the military formation will actually benefit from that increase. We are sharing General Ejo, so you know him just like we did. So it's a loss to all of us. And we pray to God to keep him in his right place in heaven, and the legacy leave behind will not die. We will definitely play our part as a state in support of the burial and all the other arrangements that is already ongoing. We are definitely fully involved, and we are part of it.
So after this visit, General Tukobura Taikon presents with State Acting Governor with a bonge gift from the Army, and with State Acting Governor comes to give a better gift from we state to take tell and say Edo State na state of culture and tradition. Now here we see the better information on top waiting shele for inside Edo, as we State Acting Governor Right Honorable Philip Shaibu don't call for increased funding of the Nigerian Army system. Sake of say this one go help them work well past the way them say they work. And it talk this one when they pay with state government courtesy visits. Make you no forget say dirty and yamayama no good for we health. May we keep Edo State clean.